You can save your ChatGPT conversation as a PDF file using different methods. So here's a step-by-step guide for Windows and Mac users. So let's get started. Firstly, open any web browser and navigate to the chatgpt.com and make sure you are logged into your ChatGPT account. Once logged in, simply write down something on the text section option available there. So here, I am writing down write a short summary on cow. You can give any according to your preferences. Then press enter. So you can see this is the answer of the ChatGPT. Now in order to save this as a PDF, select all, then double tap. There you can see print option available, tap on it. Inside print, you can see save as PDF option available at the top. Now there tap on the save option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then save wherever you want to. Here I have saved it on my desktop. So let's check it. Tap on the PDF and here you can see. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.